or another cave exploration. This one's actually gonna be...
Caleb, guess what? We've already been out here for 19 minutes.
Oh, wow. So, we've been walking around for 19 minutes trying to find it again, even though we have a stick marker right here. But we're gonna go back in, and we're gonna see if we can find this, dynamite in there. We're gonna see if we can go back to this one location and find the scuba gear or the katana. I don't know what Tyson's doing over there, but...
Just resetting recording.
I think Tyson's gonna start recording, so...
Okay, hey guys, welcome back. We just had to start recording again because it's already been 20 minutes. We did a lot of stuff off camera. Got chainsaw.
Got a chainsaw, got a whole bunch of meat, got alligator skin.
Okay, let's head back down here. So last night, me and Caleb were in this cave for almost 2 hours.
Head in, come on, there's nothing in there.
Yeah, we've killed 6-legged monsters 2 times in this cave.
Yeah, so we're pretty much safe. We can just fly down there. Because we've already been in this cave once.
I don't know if this music's copyright, so I'm playing it, so.
Right, I'm gonna put it on and see if it lands.
It's the Forest soundtrack, so I don't know.
It shouldn't be copyrighted. It was made for the game specifically. Oh, we didn't grab sticks before we came down here. Can't make campfires.
Yeah.
How do we always forget that?
It don't matter.
Every time we go in a cave, I always forget to grab sticks.
Well, we always got other campfires from last night. Oh, item. Mystical item. Okay. I don't care. I might put that up again. Okay, let's go. I would die.
I don't think they respawn. I think the mini ones, the normal ones, respawn for free. They won't. Yeah, this
It's
is
fine.
Right down there. See? Guys, right down here is the first one. Yeah, he's gone.
Yeah. Oh, his guts aren't there. I wish we had proof. Okay, don't show this. Don't show it.
Probably not bad, but
I want to show it just in case. Yeah, and we can't walk the bodies on the floor out there. Remember? Yeah. Oh, there's sticks. Why did I place the campfire here last time? Hold on, I'm gonna put on a flare real quick. No! Okay.
There's nothing back there. Why do we need a flare?
No, just for light. So I don't have to waste
anything.
anything.
Just run through and make it all the way to where we need to go. Where's the campfire?
I know.
Why not light it?
Because you don't need it. I'm using a flare right now.
We have to light them so we know our way back if we somehow forget it.
Wait, does this thing run out when it's in your hand?
Not yet, because that's why I usually throw them. Really got dark here. Oh,
I want to find the scuba gear so badly.
I forgot how dark it was in this area.
Yeah.
I don't even know where we're supposed to go now.
Oh! Please, dynamite, please.
Soda?
No!
Soda's a soda, though.
I know, we need dynamite.
Grab all the sodas.
I know, I already got some.
Wait, which way are we going? We gotta go back that way where that guy's body is?
I'm going all the way down here. What?
No, this way you go.
Okay, I was about to say, I was about to get so mad.
There's dynamite. Oh, those are sticks. Oh god, there's a fire there. This is the next wall. This is where we fought the second game.
Listen.
This is the exit. What? What the? I don't remember this. This is like the only place I don't remember.
I don't remember being here.
Maybe it was the other.
What was that?
Probably a monster outside because there's no way there's any more in here. Maybe we went down that way. Look. Yeah, we went down that way. Behind you. We went down that way.
Okay, let's go.
I think there's a campfire there. So light it. I'm gonna go around it quick. Just keep moving. Oh, watch out. There's bats above you. So they don't make a noise and scare you. Come on. What? Fine, let's go. You don't want to waste the viewer's time by killing bats that give you nothing. Okay. Well, more bats here. There's a campfire here. Look how this campfire is placed right here. We were in such a hurry to find where we're going, we just placed campfires everywhere. Like, I got caught in fire once down here, and I got stuck in the wall, and I got like a million zombies.
I hated this part. We got knocked like so many times.
Not right here, it was way up there, so. Nothing, of course, in those boxes. Okay, good, these suitcases respawn, look.
Yeah.
We'll get them then. Stop, calm down for a second, it's gonna make them fly away. God, I hate these things. Chocolate bar.
Choke me.
More chocolate bar.
I need these. Okay, let's go.
What is it?
It's
Which
down
way?
here.
It goes two ways. It goes down this way and goes up that way.
I don't think we've explored this place yet.
We went every way in this cave. I'm just saying, there's two ways. I'm trying to remember which way we went. Was this where the? No, there's only two eight-legged monsters down here. And when you guys watch these videos, you're gonna try to get mixed up if you watch Tysons, because part 1 of his is pretty much part 2 because he started recording on the part 2 one. That's why.
Because we did nothing.
Because that's why. Oh, this is the dynamite.
Oh, we got dynamite! I got dynamite!
Holy God, that's what I meant. This guy, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The guy with the hand.
Okay, let's go.
Now we gotta go find the. Now we gotta go find that one spot where the dynamite is. And it's probably.
Yeah, there's. I
told you there was dynamite there. That's what I was trying to look for yesterday.
Yeah, I heard you talking about it yesterday.
Yeah,
You're like, what's that guy?
I said, what about
Yeah.
the guy with the hand? I said, we gotta go find him.
Guy with hand open.
This is so easy to find them. How did we not find them yesterday?
Bro, see?
These don't respawn though, that's the thing.
How the hell did we not know?
These don't respawn, so. This is where the monster was. This is where the second one was.
Please tell me he's not alive.
Oh, my back. This is the one where it took us forever to kill. This was the second one that took us forever to kill. It was like right around the.
Just cracking back around.
It was like right around this wall. We couldn't get it. It was right there. We could not hit it at all. It was really annoying us. We were here for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, at least. Whoa! They respawned. They're only normal ones though. They're not like bad ones.
No, that's fine.
Take them out, I guess.
Someone's calling me. Holy.
Look at his friend just watching his friend just absolutely.
Oh, you wanna fight?
They literally stand no chance.
Oh my God! I'm about to get knocked.
My axe, I have to save them.
Oh my God! Stop calling me.
Alright, got him. I killed him.
I didn't know who it is.
Whoa, where are you coming from? Little wing guy. I have no stamina, of course.
Holy shit!
Why did they respawn, but the monsters respawn? I gotta play my cassette again. Come
on.
Only I lost my armor from that. I had like a max armor. Alright, let's go find. I can't see anything in here. It's down here.
Hold on. Not right
Oh,
now.
it's right here. Guys, I don't remember if it was down here or not. Let's see. I'm waiting on Tyson over there. Yeah?
Okay.
You guys, for a second? Second.
Don't be wrong.
can't, that's fine. Sorry, I can't get it.
Tell you.
I've been waiting for like 5 minutes. That's funny. Down this way, or did they, Oh, yeah, what's down there? I can't remember. I tried to eat the stuff. Oh, the fish are all spoiled now. Go,
That's fine. Still edible.
Oh, they are. They're slowly starting to spoil. So, oh my god, I thought that waterfall was a monster for a second. You see that? Like, it looked like a monster jumping down. I hope this music, when I rewatch the video, I hope the music is like super loud over here and I can't hear myself.
I'll put that on real quick.
Let's click.
Holy!
Oh wow. You guys are still here?
Holy!
I can't hit them.
Okay, they're doing so much damage.
I'm gonna try my chainsaw out.
Same.
I wish I could see.
I light it. Okay.
He's dead. Not dead, but...
Move.
Well guys, this shouldn't even be hard to kill them. Like, it should be easy. For some reason, we're sitting back, like, not too scared to attack them. Like, I can't even see where they are. Like, look at it. It's so dark in here, you can't see them. I'm making a run for it over here by the head.
I'll bind you.
Okay, all I can hear is the chainsaw murdering something in the background.
Okay, let's go.
Let me get my axe. Oh no, I know where it is. This is where the dynamite was. Here,
Holy! You scared me!
watch out, down here. There she is. Where the dynamite's supposed to be.
Ah, finally!
I'll light it, okay? Watch out. Here we go.
Go for it.
I hope I don't have to place it like in the wall. Watch it like miss.
Oh, I'm covered in blood.
There she is, baby.
There you go.
Location we have not discovered yet.
Hold on, I have to wash off my blood real quick.
I'm also bloody, so not really like it doesn't show me bloody, but I'm
There's blood right here. I meant there's water, not blood.
blood. Can we drink this water? Because I need to drink something.
Yeah, I think you can.
Oh my god!
Stop! I'm dead.
Actually, where they come from? Behind you!
Stop. Holy! Okay, just run.
Yeah, I'm gonna die. Help! Guys, help! I have no stamina, of course. Bro, where did they come from? I can't run, game. Oh my god. The game is really hard. Where do they come from?
It's so annoying.
Do they like respawn every minute?
Wait, well then we gotta go if that's the case. Let's go.
No, that's what it feels like. I can't run, of course. There's stamina.
Damn it.
Before we go
And
down,
I'm gonna die if I get hit once.
I need to take my last. I only have 1 med left.
Oh, great.
You need to build a campfire there.
I have to wash off my...
Oh my, it's so dark in here. I thought I saw another one. Oh my god, it was like a shadow. I thought it was another one running in.
Bro, look at... I have blood over me.
Oh, don't forget, we're still recording. Imagine if you forgot. If you're thirsty, I gotta put some food on the fire. I'm just gonna put most of the food on there because I don't want to. Most of the food's gonna die.
There, wash all the blood off.
I hope you can find meds down there because that's the last resort you have if you're gonna die so far. You need meds because you're gonna die. So I had to use my last med since I was really low. Now I'm full everything.
Wait, maybe I can make something.
Oh yeah, aloe vera mix. You put a whole bunch of these together. Oh yeah, look, I made a health mix.
Have it?
Here, I'm gonna restore pass it to you. That's like meds. It should give you max. It probably won't give you half.
Wait, where does it go in my inventory?
Right, like in the below bottom.
Health mix. Eat.
Eat that food there before we go down. It's not wasted unless you want to leave it there.
Okay, whatever.
Let's
Let's
check
go.
down there first. Let's throw a flare. Do you have any flares? No, I don't have any flares left.
Yeah, I have
It's
two.
not even a long fall. Look at that. You can just jump down there. Anything down there? So guys, we have not been back here yet. Is that one a long fall? Yep, it is a long fall. Alright, here, let's head down.
No, it's right there. I can see my flare. It just drops right there.
I still don't want to jump down though, just in case. No, I know what this place is. I tried jumping down with me and Xander and I died because we were in this cave. Because I said to Xander, it doesn't look that far.
Oh, what are you doing?
What?
You almost just pushed me down.
Imagine. Yeah, it's not that far, but at the same time, it's kind of like they would not put.
Oh, there's story items.
I gotta see. Can't see it. It's so dark.
Oh, wait.
X
There's something there.
Yeah, well, at least we have that in our inventory now. There's probably another freaking gun spot. Yeah, it said gun ammo. Yeah, it is another gun part, which is useless because it takes.
Here we go.
Great, another one of these. Let's go. Well, at least if we need to get.
They won't have a monster right at the end of the cave, so I don't know. Let's see.
Here we go. I've already used all my armor already. I had lots of armor. And now I'm already done with it all. I think this is where the hiking axe is. I can't. Can you go? Come on.
Okay, why do you always want me to go first?
You have the flare in your hand.
I don't even have it lighted. Hold on.
I'll open it so we can see. Cause I have the axe out and you have the flare, so throw it out there. Throw it in the middle so we can see. Alright, I don't see anything so far. Very lit. Oh, is that a monster? What is that? Oh, it's another drop. Oh, this is definitely this is where the cave axe is.
Oh no.
Down there.
Six legs.
Okay, I can headshot him with this. Well, I wish he wasn't like. There's so many of them down there.
Wait, are those babies?
Yeah.
Oh, I really thought.
I shot him with the bow. Alright, what are we gonna do? This flare's about to go out. This is really helpful, this light and the flare. Why do we have no flares? Like, we do got
Okay,
the
let's snipe him.
chainsaw.
Let's go sniper.
Oh, we got a slingshot. We got a slingshot. Hit him with those. Those usually kill the babies in one hit. They're just really hard to hit the slingshot with.
Oh,
yeah. I can't hit anything with the slingshot. So, there we go. I hit him. Look at him fun. Like, me and Dana, when I hit someone there, I killed the baby with the slingshot. Okay, like, it's so hard to hit.
Stop moving.
Kill another baby. And that baby is dead also.
I hate babies.
They're easy to kill though, so that's good. Is that all of them? Are they all dead?
No, there's one right there.
It's just that one. It's just the. Oh my god! It's just the one monster down there right now. And that
No, there's a baby right there.
No, I'm trying to shoot him, but he's like behind the wall of me. Alright, I can hit him now. Now he's like in a possible spot now.
I really wait! Look! Light! I think this is the axes.
Yeah, it's on the wall over there. I can see it. I just can't get down here because.
Should we just run for it?
Oh god, I fell. Well, I just want to take out this baby because they do a lot of damage surprisingly. Well, we don't know what's back in that dark area over there though. That's the thing. There could be a.
Oh, this is why we should have kept that flare.
Well, we can still use it. What if there's some monsters on this area? We wouldn't have seen them. That,
Okay,
jumped out
I'm throwing Molotov.
Let's throw one right below us because there's still one of those bigger guys. This is taking us so long to just go down here. Well, you probably understand too, guys. You wouldn't want to die if you went down in this game.
Where?
Is he gone? Oh, he's right there. He's dead. He's dead.
Okay.
I was gonna kill that baby. Now we're good to go. I don't know the ammo, of course.
Oh, the baby's right here. I got it.
It's the only baby left. It's fine.
Got
And I took a lot of damage, of course.
Yes, we finally got it.
How did I get
Oh, sorry, Adam. Savings. No, we already know about this. It's fine.
Now we can use the climb up there now, yeah?
And now we can do. Hold on, let me get that. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna end it here.
You don't want to watch us find our way out.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks guys for watching.